I'm Nhật Minh, and today let's learn reading starter 1. It's a long time we do not learn this, and let's go again to learn this part. Let's learn this series reading starters. First exercise: words and phrase. What famous sport? Golfer on a tournament. The Master is a world famous tournament. In the year 2000 of the survey of a snake. In the year 2000, he won 11 tournaments. On top of that, I had a cake. On top of that, I had some cookies too. Fill the blank with the correct phrase. Change the form in the word if necessary. Let's do. Now, type a word is a word famous one. Golfer. Mio was born in the year 1994. The third sentence. She is very smart. On top of that, she is beautiful too. Let's go to the summary. Tiger Woods is the famous golfer. He has won many tournaments. Now we will fill in the blank this fourth blank first. Wood is the youngest Masters tournament champion. I'll put in the phrase youngest. Masters tournament champion. He was only 21 years old. So we will put in the word major in here. Now let's go to the listening activity. Let's listen. Let's listen to what. This is chapter G. Let's listen chapter 10. Choose.
Listening. A favorite sport. Listen to the dialogue and choose the best answer. What is your favorite sport?
I like golf. Did you watch the tournament yesterday?
Yes, it was exciting. When do you play golf?
I play on Saturdays.
Are you a good golfer?
I'm a pretty good golfer. Not as good as Tiger Woods, though.
Will you play in the city tournament?
No, I'm not good enough for that.
Listen again and check your answers.
Let's listen again.
What is your favorite sport?
I like golf. Did you watch the tournament yesterday?
Yes, it was exciting. When do you play golf?
I play on Saturdays.
Are you a good golfer?
I'm a pretty good golfer. Not as good as Tiger Woods, though.
Will you play in the city tournament?
No, I'm not good enough for that.
Now, let's choose the best answers. First question, what was the girl doing yesterday? Oh, you see, she's watching a tournament. Next, the second, how did the boy feel about the tournament? Oh, let's listen about this. I don't remember.
When do you play golf? The dialogue and choose the best answer. What is your favorite sport?
I like golf. Did you watch the tournament yesterday?
Yes, it was exciting. When do you play golf?
Oh, here he says it's exciting. So this answer B is the correct answer. Next question. The girl says that she will not. Let's listen.
I play on Saturdays.
Are you a good golfer?
I'm a pretty good golfer. Not as good as Tiger Woods, though.
Will you play in the city tournament?
No, I'm not good enough for that.
Now, let's play. She not play in the tournament, everyone. Next, the speaking activities. First, we will put the sentence. What is your favorite sport? Football is my favorite sport. Are you good? When do you play football? Next, when do you play football? I play football on the weekends. Next, are you good at football? Are you good at football? Yes, I am pretty good at football. My team won the championship last year. Let's go to the writing activities. First question, what is your favorite sport? It is football. Next, when you play your favorite sport? I play it on Sunday. Are you good at playing this sport? Yes. Yes, I am pretty good at it. Let's go to the vocabulary review. First question, the part A, choose the best word. First sentence. 10 teams will play in this year's baseball champion. Sorry. It's a tournament. Next, the Masters is a major tournament in golf. cut my banana with a knife. Next part B. 1. Which word is closest in meaning to winner? It is a champion. Now we will go to the second question. Which word is the opposite of I know? Oh, do you know? I know you don't know about some things, and the opposite of this is famous, everyone. Now we done this. Let's go to the third. Next question. Which is the best definition for the word year? Oh, you see, 1 year is equal 365 days. So, answer C is the correct answers. And bye bye everyone. My video is gonna be we done unit 15. And see you again.